Understanding the idiom, to feel blue, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English idiom, to feel blue. This phrase might sound a bit mysterious at first, but it's a colorful way to express a feeling we've all experienced. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how to use it in everyday conversations. To feel blue is an idiom that means feeling sad or depressed. It's a metaphorical expression where the color blue is associated with a low mood or melancholy. This phrase is widely used in English-speaking cultures and is a non-literal way to express emotions. It's important to understand such idioms as they enrich your language skills and help you express yourself more naturally. The exact origin of "to feel blue" is not clear, but it's believed to date back several centuries. The color blue has long been associated with sadness and melancholy in many cultures. For example, in Greek mythology, blue is linked to rain, which often symbolizes sadness. Understanding the cultural and historical context of idioms like this can give you a deeper appreciation for the English language. 1. Example sentence. After hearing the bad news, I've been feeling blue all day. Here, the phrase is used to express a continued sense of sadness. 2. In a question, you seem a bit down. Are you feeling blue? This demonstrates how to use the idiom in a conversational question to inquire about someone's emotional state. 3. In a statement, movies with sad endings always leave me feeling blue. This shows the idiom being used to describe a reaction to an event. Understanding how to use "to feel blue" in different contexts is crucial for effective communication. Down in the dumps. Another way to say feeling very sad or depressed. Having the blues. Similar to "feeling blue", often used in the context of music, especially blues music. In a funk. This means to be in a state of depression or melancholy, but with a less formal tone. Knowing these similar expressions can help you understand various ways people might express sadness in English. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been insightful in understanding the idiom, "to feel blue". Idioms like this are a vibrant part of the English language, adding depth and color to our expressions. Remember, learning idioms is not only about vocabulary but also about cultural nuances. Keep practicing, and don't feel blue about your language learning journey. You're doing great.